Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can add your phone number to Google Meet application. Friends, please put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments at the end and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let me show you the whole process from the beginning. And first of all, please find the Google Meet app itself on your device. Open it. And then when you open it, you'll be presented with a page like this. What you'll need to do, folks, is tap on the top left of the three bars to get to a little menu like this. Then select the very first item, Settings. After that, friends, under your name, if you already have a registered and added phone number, you'll have an option to edit or change phone number. And this page will look like this. Here you will need, most importantly, is to maintain your phone number correctly. Also, don't forget to make sure that you have the correct country code. So if you are suddenly in another country, then either you have a number on the other side, then you need to change the code. Once you have entered your phone number, click Continue. Then you need to confirm the action by clicking here. Send the code, and you'll have to wait a little bit for the app to send a confirmation code. And then your phone number will be added or edited. This is how you can easily add your phone number to Google Meet. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments. See you soon.